Hi guys. मैं इतनी थक चुकी हूँ, अकेली क्यों आई?
You want to wake up to nice, delicious food.
You don't know where you've parked your vehicle.
मैं शुगर मना कर करके तू ये करी वो करी हूँ. Bye.
ना अच्छा है ना चटपटा. I got back home.
Slowly going down like that. Bear with it. Yeah, bear with it, guys. We were Flipkart Food Fest.
मैंगो खाने का बहुत मन कर रहा था. ठीक है.
She's super sweet though.
मुझे शर्म ही नहीं है मतलब. मुझे एक और गुड़ी मिल गया.
Still searching for the building.
Let's go.
Hi guys, so I'm here at the Flipkart Food Fest. I'm still searching for the building, which they have not put any boards or anything. कुछ भी नहीं. But ठीक है, I'm searching.
Once I reached the food fest, I went directly to get myself registered, got the band on my hand, and then went to each stall, visited each stall. There were many different kinds of food brands which had put up stalls. I visited all of them, got some goodies, and was roaming around like crazy around there.
Hi guys. I couldn't shoot at all. I'm at the I'm at the Flipkart Food Fest, okay? And इतना ये हो रहा है यहाँ वहाँ कुछ सही से नहीं हो रहा है. And I'm alone, ठीक है? सब किसी न किसी के साथ आए हैं. मैं like अकेली हूँ. And I'm getting goodies, free goodies. और मुझे एक ब्रांड कवर करना था, पर वो ब्रांड के कुछ लोग है ही नहीं वहाँ पे, ठीक है? तो ये देखो. That's how it is. So we're having fun. I'm just searching where I can get goodies. So I'm going and picking it up. That's all I'm doing. That's all, guys. Let's see.
There was Levista. I just straight up went there, had a cup of coffee.
मैं शुगर मना कर करके यहाँ पर सब कुछ में स्वीट है. मतलब एवरीथिंग हैज शुगर. सब में स्वीट है गाइस. मैं इतनी थक चुकी हूँ, अकेली क्यों आई? मैं स्टार्टिंग से ही व्लॉग करना चाहती थी, पर इस रश में मैं माइक और नॉर्मली बात करूंगी तो सुनाई तो देगा नहीं, तो मैं माइक कनेक्ट कर रही हूँ, ये कर रही हूँ, वो कर रही हूँ. ओ माय गॉड, मैं इतनी थक गई हूँ ना कि इवन तो कहीं गुडीज मिल रहा है, आई एम लाइक आई डोंट वांट इट. ऐसा वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है मुझे.
And this is Ankita from MyFitness. Crunchy peanut butter, which has 27% protein. You want to wake up to nice, delicious food. That is what we stand for. Thank you.
गाइस आई एम सो टायर्ड. मुझे एक और गुडी मिल गया. मुझे शर्म ही नहीं है मतलब शर्म क्यों आनी चाहिए? बुलाया ही इसलिए है, पर बुलाया जिस एक ब्रांड के लिए है वो है अडानी या फॉर्च्यून बेसिकली. और वो वहाँ काउंटर में कोई है ही नहीं. मैं गई 2 बार और बोलते हैं कि नोबडी इज देयर एंड ब्ला 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 एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो मैं यहाँ आई हूँ एक और इसमें. देखते हैं गाइस. आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से.
I found an amazing mirror and a photo session is a must.
Hello. It's crazy. I'm full with goodies, guys. It looks amazing. Lot of goodies, lot of things. I'm having a great time. Such amazing things, guys.
I straight up went to the Fortune stall, which was the main brand I had to cover, and they had an entire food preparation which was set there for all the creators to make some yummy pasta with your olive oil and newly launched different kinds of oils, which I had great fun making and eating.
Hi Kaveri, here at the Fortune Premium stall. Premium range of oils. We have the cold pressed mustard oil. You can go if you liked it. We made and packed in Spain, and we are importing it from Spain. Best quality olive oil. Thank you so much.
Guys, मैंने बोला था एक ब्रांड की शूट करना था मुझे, which was Fortune. ठीक है, तो इसमें मुझे ऑलमोस्ट 20-25 मिनट्स लगे हैं, क्योंकि वेटिंग था, फिर शूट करना था और मेरे लिए कोई बाहर नहीं शूट करने को. बट फाइनल स्टार्ट. ठीक है, तो और अकेला आ जा रहे हैं, एक ऑकवर्डनेस होता है, बट इट्स फाइन. मुझे ओवरकम होता है. जिंदगी में हमेशा कोई ना कोई नहीं रहता. अकेले जीना सीखना चाहिए.
I caught someone from the crowd and asked them to shoot a small clip of me, and then I was roaming around the food fest here and there, and then I was really hungry, so went to Domino's to pick up my pizza.
Hi! So I got a new friend, guys. Food fest. It's Vaishnavi. You spell it up like VAISH 5 times. Yeah. So you can follow her on Instagram. I'll also put her Instagram ID in the description. You can go check it out, follow her, and show some love. Okay, so we are at the food fest. Yes. We have been waiting for 30 minutes now. More than 30. Yeah, because the food fest people, Flipkart gave us a coupon for Domino's.
And look at the people.
And it's very, very slow, guys. We just gave the order. Now it will again take 30 minutes. And we could get this delivered home only. Yeah, it's like 1 hour.
Yeah, and there's just like 2 people working over there, it's making it too hard.
I think they should plan a little more properly. They knew that this was going to happen. Like manforce is so less. One person taking the order and 2 people are making the pizzas. That's all.
And there's no choice.
Yeah. And a lot of people will complain. Okay, because you're just like commenting. You're first of all getting for free. You're complaining. You know. See, we have worked hard to get it for free. Right? It's not like. So shut up.
It's not free, we are working a lot.
Yeah.
We are tired, we are backs and hands are bleeding.
You know, end of the day, people only see the they're getting so much free. You know, the food fest also, I just hear a lot of people who are working.
Yeah.
They're coming like, see, they tell me in Hindi, they thought I didn't know Hindi. They're like, series creator, they have so much for free.
Oh, those people who are working right now.
And I'm like, dude, we work for this. And I'm like,
दो वीडियो एडिट करके
सच में यार मतलब it's okay still we are earning, they are not, so doesn't matter, but we'll wait, we'll take our food and
Yes. See you.
bye.
She's super sweet though.
Thank you. I'll put this in the beginning.
Yes.
Bye. Say bye.
Guys, we recorded a huge bit before this that we'll show, but our mic was off. My mic was off. But I will still increase the volume in editing, guys. And yeah. So now you can hear our voice.
Hello.
Now she'll tell her Instagram ID again.
It's VAISH 5 times. It's Make sure to follow me.
Guys, follow her on Instagram. I will put her ID again in the description. Okay, and the rest of the things you will hear it. Okay.
Volume will be a bit low, but bear with it.
Yeah, bear with it, guys. We were just
We are bearing a lot.
we're like dead. Genuinely, we are waiting here at Domino's for the food for like 30-35 minutes now. 58. It's still at 58. Our number is 71.
There's like 13 more orders. Hell no.
Guys, we're so dead and tired. I can't tell you. And she's come from so far. She has to go back. Oh my god.
Pray for me.
Mine is at least
equals 1 pray.
Mine is at least 12 kilometers. I think yours is more.
It's around 18 or no.
That's like almost 20 now. You counted round
Yeah.
figure, guys, but
Bangalore traffic. And by the time we leave, it will be
yeah,
office
yeah,
hours.
yeah.
Gone.
And yeah. So doesn't, I don't know, man. I'm so tired. Like I'm holding the phone, it's slowly going down like that tired I am, but it's okay. We'll go and follow her, and we will continue to vlog once we get food. We both are very tired, guys. Very, very tired. Okay.
We need at least something to drink first.
We have not drank water also, like. So let's wait and see.
Yes, wait.
Bye.
Until they give food.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Hi. मैं इतनी थक चुकी हूँ ना guys. I can't tell you. See the goodies. Flash on here, man. Goodies देखो. Domino's का भी goodie है. Pizza actually full open. और मैं घर जाके खाऊंगी because मैं इतनी थक चुकी हूँ. I got an old friend also called Aditi. Called her name is Aditi. So मैं उसमें busy हो गई. अभी मुझे गाड़ी ढूंढना है. I have no idea मेरी गाड़ी कहाँ है. मैं बस जा रही हूँ. Upper basement. Let's check. I have no idea. मैं ढूंढ ही रही हूँ अभी तक. I remember somewhere D16 or something. Let's check. Guys, this is really a problem. If you don't know where you park your vehicle, लाइक आई हैव द माइक बट मेरे अंदर इतनी एनर्जी है ही नहीं कि मैं खोलूँ, मतलब इसको खोलूँ क्या, माइक बैग को खोलूँ और नीचे लगाऊँ, बिकॉज आई हैड एक्चुअली केप्ट द माइक इनसाइड क्योंकि माइक का चार्ज कम हो गया था। मैं बहुत थक चुकी है एक्चुअली, बट इट्स वेरी गुड, यू नो। मैं सबको ये रेकमेंड करूँगी कि सब लोग अकेले घूमो प्लीज़।
Guys, I don't know if my voice is heard, but see the new train. HL has made this new train. I was just passing through this place and I just saw it's a new train. So HL basically manufactures, like they make trains, right? And here they give it for tryouts basically. So it's so beautiful. Like I can see the packet of it also. Like they just unwrapped it. You can see that brown paper there. Oh my god, crazy, no? It looks so beautiful. Like it's beautiful, so I just wanted to shoot. Okay, I'm going back to the Flipkart Food Fest. I hopefully you can hear me because I'm shouting, but the train looks amazingly beautiful, guys. Oh wow. See, they have fire extinguisher trying out something with the train. It looks amazing, guys. Just look at it. It's Vande Bharat, by the way. Wow. It looks amazing, guys. Like so beautiful the Vande Bharat looks. It's a new train. They still haven't launched it, I think. Indian Railways, Vande Bharat. But it looks amazing. Amazingly beautiful it looks. Like crazy, man, how beautiful it looks.
Hello. तो I got back home. वेरी टायर्ड, थोड़ा एडिट करके यूट्यूब पे डाला भी। और ये बिरयानी खा रही हूँ, बिरयानी, एग और रायता। ये दोनों देखो, एग की स्मेल के लिए देव कम एंड सैट हियर। लेट मी ईट, आई ईट एंड देन देखो जो हैम्पर्स थे, लेट्स ईट। ओके बाय। हाय गाइस, तो मैंने बोला था ना घर आई थी, तो मुझे मैंगो खाने का बहुत मन कर रहा था, ठीक है। तो मैंगो और स्पाइसी, मतलब वो होता है ना नमक और मिर्च डाल के, तो मैंने बनाया, मैंने ऑर्डर किया और फिर बनाया। ओ माय गॉड, देखिए गाइस कैसा, मतलब मस्त मैंगो को काट के आए, मिर्च, सॉल्ट, लाइम सब डाल के, ओ हो टेस्ट किया। ओ क्रेजी है गाइस, क्रेजी। तो अभी खाते हैं हम। गाइस मैंगो ना अच्छा है ना, चटपटा। ओ माय गॉड, मैं बता नहीं सकती, मतलब कैसे खाऊं मैं ये रख के। इसमें ना मैंने 2 लेमन भी डाला था और वो चटपटा हो गया, क्रेजी।